gonna go again and do the same. Take this one up, put more mortar. Hey guys, it's my first time laying brick. So remember the way we want to butter it. See? Alright, so what I did, you see me, I go fit the bottom first, so I rub it down. So I put this, so I rest me on inside of the brick. I rub it down, try it. Once you cut it now, you see me, you put your trowel like this. So basically you cut it, but you cut it so that you catch your mortar. You're not supposed to jump. Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I did a bit of brick repair. I'm gonna show you how I did it. I have an apprentice here that lay bricks for the first time. You're gonna see him in action, so stay tuned. Watch the video, try and watch the video till the end. You will see him in action. I'm gonna show you how to do this by yourself if you're a homeowner and want to know how to do a bit of brick repair around your house. Stay tuned. With no further ado, let's dive right in. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair a brick wall. So here, as you see, they already did the tweeting. They already cut open the, already do the tweeting on everything. So all we're gonna do here is just we're gonna do 4 courses of brick. I'm gonna show you how to do that.
You did?
See? Look at this.
Scheiße.
Huh?
Shit.
Oh.
And he even shimmed it up too.
Yeah.
He didn't even need to. Like, look at it, he shimmed up both sides. I don't know why he did that.
That's what happened with this.
Can we shave it down or?
I'm just thinking what's the best thing to do with it. What's the best thing? See, that over here is different. I'm gonna run the line and see. Right now, testing this now, guys. It's good from here. Look, see how tight that is? That's what you want.
Well, you said 2 boxes.
Yeah,
You
not
want
those.
the big boxes?
It's okay.
Huh? Get big
How
boxes.
much for those?
What?
How much?
Don't worry about it. That part.
Yeah,
The place I went to, this place,
oh.
keep making. That's the only place there. I didn't go to Home Depot. If you want to go, I'm gonna go get more.
keep us going for a little bit.
What's that for, anyways?
What?
The staple.
It's for like when you put it on the Tyvek.
Oh, I know, but not for this job even.
No.
Oh, I'll give you more. Well, if I go to Home Depot, I'll give you more, okay?
It's fine, man. But I
feel bad now.
Pretty soon I'm gonna leave here. You make it sound like I'm gonna be here for 2 o'clock.
You're gonna be here for. Anyways, don't leave because I want to talk to you about the inside, and I want to send you the address to that the inside wall.
Yeah. Guys, this is what I have to do for this one.
You can't carry a piece like never enough.
So as you see guys, I have to lick it out a little bit because of the way they have the angle line. Just go and learn to be everything. Just show me how to do all the time.
And then we can live.
Camera right up on you.
Hey guys, it's my first time laying brick. You can't use it.
Okay guys, this is Christopher's first time laying bricks. So what you want to do, if you want to lay the brick to the line. You lay this one, you lay this one, right?
Yeah.
So you're working with the line itself. Come closer. So you see how you have this one above the line. You want to rub it down at all times. Make sure it's the right point of the edge of the line. You need to check. When you clear the mark, you don't want to dry it, you want to cut it. You don't want to dry it, because if you dry it, it's going to mess up the brick. So you want to cut it so that you save the marker. So you use the point like this. This way you save the marker. So this one you're gone on way too low. So you're going to go again and do the same. Take this one and put more marker. Remember you're trying to get it right to the line, because the line is what you use as a guide. Take your time, no rush. Okay, so when you do this now, you can use the point I showed that time. You can use and bend it down like this. Put it off like that. Okay, here. So you're gonna do your both of your face. Remember you're working with the line. So free the line and see. No, this you see I got too much done, so you want to make make sure you put all of the part down to the line. Like here, so now, you rub it till you reach right up to the line. Cut it now. I'm going to show you how to cut it. Yeah, or you can cut it the way that you know, whichever way works for you. Just put a little bit more mass on it again. Alright. So, you're going to butter again now. Butter your face of your brick. Alright. Look, you turned that the wrong way. Remember, you're working with the line, so always free the line, bring it right down to where the line is. Don't go too low, don't go lower than the line. At this point, they're too lower than the line, you have to go take it back up. So bear in mind, you are with the line itself. And the next thing you want to make sure at all times, you want to make sure this brick, the LA match with this one down low. All the time, so you always try to flush this one with this one as well. Okay, keep going. You see how brick after today. So, take your time, get it right, no rush. Okay, if you think it's good, and remember you want to have the same, remember, see this one now, give me the towel. You see, you don't want to have this, you want to have the brick supposed to flush with it. You see how this one flush? You have to make sure it's flush just as same. So you want to bring in this one like so. You want to put it on just like, you want to flush the bottom first, and then you bang in the top just like that. You understand? Yeah. And the next thing you want to do, see this brick down here, always flush, always try to match the upper one with the previous one down low. So you see this right now, it's telling me that you want to go back this way. Just get in there, guys. Just get in there. Probably need to put a little bit more masa here. Okay, remember I'm show you how to match bottom first, then you can over top. Remember you have to flush this with this, and the bottom is supposed to flush up this. You always want to have your trowel as well, because your trowel is what you use for knocking in place if you want to. Try to match the bottom first with the previous brick that's already laid. So you're gonna try to match here. You see this brick here, the way it match. You need to match this one with this one. No, the flush this. Look. So you have this and flush. Then you flush this with this one, just like that. You're supposed to go in after you go in. If you need to bring over this one, you bring it over. Get it. Okay, so you need to bring it down to the line as well. Yeah. What happened now, it kind of tilt over this way, so that tell us that's how I'm going to. Okay, cut down so now. No, remember you have to cut it. So you want to cut it in a way where I save the marker. So you want to cut it like that. So when you cut it like this, you get to catch him out. You see that catch him out on it at the same time. Go again. Put some more marker here, so. And remember when I put the marker, let me show you. When I put the marker, you want to put the marker like this. And then you just use your towel point. Like so. After you do, you just cut it off like this. basically I go dry on like mortar. See? Okay, there you go. The way you butter it, you want to go like this. You dry on first, then you go like so. That's basically how you butter. Remember, you're gonna flush the bottom. So what you need to check for as well, you see this brick already laid, you have to always check to make sure this side over here, so this part flush and this part flush. That means that tell us every level. So you see this part here, so you need to knock it down to the same level as this brick. And then over the corner you knock down this to the same level, that way you know say level as well. No, remember I'm show you. You cut it. And you want, so you want to cut it on an angle. Hold on. So you hold it on like this. So you hold it on like this.
So
yeah, so you basically like you cut something out, but you cut if you catch him out on the trowel. Yeah. So you cut it so that you catch it. Then it can fall off, you catch it. You want to have like just an 1/8 from the line. So your brick's supposed to be as close as to the line as possible, but not touch the line. So you want to go as close to the line. Okay, go again. Guys, if Chris is doing good, give him a thumbs up for his first time. I think he's doing good for his first time. Try and remember what I tell you and do it exactly what I tell you. The way you learn more easier. So whenever I show you something, you just try to retain it at the same time. That way you just keep on do it the way I tell you to do it, the way you retain information. Remember, you have flush with the previous one that's already laid. Fit the bottom first and then you fit the top. So you want to match the bottom with the previous brick that's already laid. And then after, once this side flush, it will tell us that this side, you look on this side if you want to go down to flush with the previous one that's already there. Try not to sink it off the line because that will take it back up. Yeah, that's perfect. That's the right way to cut it. Good. Yeah, that's good. Remember, you have to flush the bottom first, and bear in mind you want to have look here as well. Make sure you're not going over the line too much. So when you see me do that, what I normally do is hold it straight like this. So I basically sit the trowel pan it like this, so I get the straightness off of that. So it'll tell me basically right now that your brick want to go over this way a bit more. You see it? So you just hold it like that straight. See? Yeah. So right now it will tell you say the bottom one go in and the top one come out. So what you need to do now, try and fit the bottom first. Fit the bottom and then you carry in the top. You carry out the top. So you want to cut it so you can see what you do. No, so you see you cut it too straight up. You don't want to cut it too straight. I'm sure you do. You want to hold your hand like this. So basically when you cut it to save the mortar. You don't want the mortar to drop. So when you cut it a while ago, the mortar will drop off of the trowel. You want to cut it like this. So you hold it up in your hand. That means if you cut it and you hold anything on it, it won't fall off. Yeah, hold on, I'll lay one and show you. I'm good. Give me a second. I'll just lay one right now and show you what I mean by. Guys, if you're getting value from this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So remember the way we want to butter it. See? Alright, so let me do the face of this one. Alright, so what I did, you see me, I go fit the bottom first, so I rub it down. So I rest me on inside of the brick. Rub it down, try to get it to the previous brick that's already laid. Now watch here at the same time, make sure that this part here flush with the previous, the new one flush with the previous one. You keep rub it down till it reaches to the line. Once you are cutting now, you see me, you put your trowel like this. So basically you cut it, but you cut it so that you catch your mortar. You're not supposed to jam. This same mortar where you normally use, just for your next brick. So try not to lose it. You need to get more body pan it like I'm gonna show you. Hold on, let me show you again. Take your time, and it's not gonna, you're not gonna get it as good as me the first time. You just have to just you just wanna basically take it up like this. The way you wanna do it, you wanna pass it. Whenever you have to put them out, you pass it like that. Ready to see what? Then you part it, take it up. Always clear the back as you go to maintain the clear cavity as you go. Remember, you don't want to have joint too big. You always want to flush this one. Always remember, so you need to flush the previous one. You can always lift it up like this too, because when you bang it down like that, it's gonna sink it. Definitely gonna sink it. So try not to put too many bangings on it. You want to always clear your marker so you can see. Yeah, like that. So you see that part of it. You want to bring it down to the line. So you see if this is it, you know, that's the way I do. You need to always have this here, so you see if you need to go down with this a bit to match with that one there. At all times, that the one that to match with the previous one.
How's it going, guys?
You can always rub it too. How's it going, man? You can always rub it like this, just so that you get it in place instead of bang it, because sometimes it's more difficult. You need to cut that now. Remember, you cut that to save it, right? Good. Mortar. Trying to make the mortar go into the brick. That's good. Want to keep going? That's good. Yeah, man. I need to teach a lot of guys to become bricklayers. It's hard to find bricklayers, you know. And he's actually doing good. This is his first time.
Wow.
So let's take your time. And yeah.
Good. How many videos have you done?
Huh?
How many videos have you done so far?
Oh, I've been videoing. So again, you want to always close up to the line, huh? You know, you don't want to stay too far from the line too. You want to have like an eighth from the line. You're doing real good still. This one looks like you want to touch back a little bit this way. Other than that, you're good. Just keep going, buddy. What you can do is rub it. Look, you see, you rub like this so that you bring it right down to where you want it to go. So try to hit the bottom first. The bottom good, you cut the bottom so that you can see.
Give me something, man. There was in my head and I give you. Take it to the other side. Yeah, you said give me something, I'll give you.
Remember, try not to sink it past the line because you have to take it up back if you do that. want to go a little bit from the line, like 1/8. Don't make a big touch line. When you see pass like this, just lift up this one, lift up this brick like that, and you go like this. Basically, you just push it back, come way back to it, so you get that space there. You're doing good, buddy. Keep going, and your pay gonna raise to 40 bucks an hour.
Viens, viens.
Can go for your next show on the joint, eh?
Let me talk to him, I'm right here. Hold on. Hey Flex, you interested in doing a chimney?
Yeah. Let off feet now. 5 minutes you want it, man. I still if you want it for 5 minutes. Scoring this quickly, see ready?
Good?
Yeah.
Does the site super approve?
I approve this message.
Okay.
He's gonna go through that folder.
Yeah, you're gonna do that next?
Is he the cement?
I'll pull it there, so. There you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new for more upcoming video like this one.